Hi guys, in this video I'll be sharing the best websites and resources for revision that will literally save your grades without the need of any extra tuition. Before we get onto the video, make sure to show your support to this channel by subscribing. The first resource that really helped me with revision was the CGP Guides. They're perfect for last minute revision as they have all the condensed notes for each topic and it covers everything. This is mainly for GCSEs. I don't recommend these for A levels since they don't cover every single detail, but they're fine for GCSEs. My second website is Physics and Maths Tutor and Save My Exams. These are really great websites for past paper revision, and not only that, Physics and Maths Tutor also has mind maps and flashcards for people who like studying through them. I really found those two features helpful as you can print them out however you like, and it's just really easy to stick up on your walls for reference. My third tip is to watch YouTube videos summarizing the topic and make a little page for each topic with all the condensed information. So when you have an exam, you can just go through that page, then a mind map from PMT, and then a few exam questions, and then you're ready to do the exam. I was too late to start this for my GCSEs, but I started this for my A levels, and it's so much easier when revising, and it saves so much time. I used to make videos on GCSE biology content, so if you need, you can check those out. They are linked in the description box below. The fourth website is My GCSE Science and Maths Watch. These two websites were literally sometimes better than my teachers. They have videos where they explain the topic to you, and it's good if you don't understand the topic well and need more support. But the only downside is that I think both of them aren't for free, so you have to pay for a subscription, but it's totally worth it. However, I do think schools buy the subscription because my school did, and what was annoying was I didn't know, so I bought the subscription in year 9, and then in year 10 I got it for free. And my last website is Exam Q&A. I haven't seen many people talk about this one, but I think it's so underrated. This website covers 3 exam boards, AQA, EdXL, and OCR. There are videos on each topic and past paper questions, and the best part is we can request a video on a topic you don't understand if it isn't made already. This website is both for GCSEs and A levels, and it only focuses on science and maths. So that's all for this video guys. Make sure to comment down below any websites you use that I haven't mentioned here, and also the links to the websites are down below, so check them out and don't forget to subscribe.